Rituals for partnership or for longer term relationships. That can be that you are living together, or that you are long distance, or that maybe one of you travels frequently for work, that you're living alone, or that you're living with your partner, or that you're living in a polyamorous situation. There's multiple configurations for the word relationship. So this is not just a one size fits all. But creating rituals in a partnership, in a long-term relationship, is about highlighting the specialness of the bond, but also about the continuity of it and the continuous affirmation. Not just anniversaries, but anniversaries will be really important in this. So, if you're living together, rituals can be that there is a time a week when we meet, we gather. I prefer to skip the date night and to have the lunch date when you're actually awake and dressed up. It can be that you have a private email address where you actually skip the management Inc. that belongs to another address. And this one is the one where you are able to connect with each other outside of the practicalities and the pragmatics of everyday life. One of you shared the ritual is to build a pillow forts together and have no phone date nights. Another one of you said that you and your partner share one great memory together every night, sometimes every week. But you can see the constant theme of the ritual that creates the union, the uniting between two people around a shared story with boundaries around it and with what the element of specialness and meaning. If you're in a long distance relationship or you work on opposite schedules, creating rituals where, for example, one of you leaves something for the other, back and forth each time, so that something of you is left when the other person comes back. So rather than it being alone and you're not there, it's alone and something from you is right here. Creating the separate email, again, I think is such a powerful place, because it becomes this kind of lover's nest, the place that is separate from the rest of the realities of the world, in which we share how much we care about each other and what is special about us. And there's also an idea from social that you can do apart or together. For anniversaries, for example, someone shared that they went through the pictures together, and you create a kind of a shared memory trail. And then you can talk about the memories that have occurred, the things that you have shared together, but you can also talk about the things that you will look forward to. But photographs tell a story, and a relationship is a story, and a ritual helps to punctuate that story. It was a beautiful description that Ezra put on social. You can see he described it quite in detail. If you're in a family, if you're a parent or a co-parent, rituals definitely help in the transition from parent to partner, be it in changing clothes, changing location, putting a certain music, changing the light, opening a bottle. Why are these rituals? Because they signify more than just opening the bottle. Opening the bottle means we don't have to be so responsible anymore. We've put the kids down. We can focus on ourselves. We can switch from responsibility to play. That is done through those behaviors that imply the meaning of transition.